these are pre-curved as well. So this is the speaker piece. For alignment, you're using the top edge where this plastic stops, and then this body line in the edge of where the actual top case pivots. So you can kind of float it into place again, checking your alignment. And then from here, basically you're going to fall in the middle. And again, because it's pre-curved, it makes it nice and easy to apply because it'll fall into place. So as you come over the top, you can use your squeegee and it will align. Stops at the leading edge. So this is just a nice way to change up the look of your bike.